So, what might you do next? Well, you could ask yourself this simple question. And that question is, am I aware? Now, you might be asking yourself, well, am I aware of what? Well, that's not the question I asked. What I asked was, am I aware? See, when you can get to a point and understand and know that, yes, I'm aware, I'm here, I exist, that awareness is absolutely key to your true nature, our true nature. See, that awareness has always been there. It will always be there. It is this awareness that most people overlook because it seems so simple. Yet it's that same awareness that I want you to start getting very curious about and explore exactly what that awareness is. I can tell you that awareness has been with you the moment that you were born, and that same awareness is still with you in this moment. The primary experience of every single human being on this planet, and there's approximately 7 billion, and the primary experience of every human being that has ever been on this planet and will forever be on this planet is the same primary experience of I am aware. I am here. I exist. So if every person that's living currently today, that has ever lived and will forever live, if it's the same primary experience of I am aware, I am here, I exist, shouldn't that experience of awareness that I am here, I exist, I am conscious, shouldn't that be explored a little bit more? Now sit with that for a minute. The simple idea and the knowing of I am aware, I am conscious, I exist, is the same primary experience of every human being that has ever lived. Yet most people never explore what that is and what the I am is all about. And they certainly don't explore the I that is I am. But just explore and get extremely curious about this awareness that I am. I am conscious. I am here. I exist. I know that I am here. And see what shows up for you.